My name is Maggie. I work at the Ruben Center as the Advocacy and Networking Coordinator. Ruben Center basically empowers the Mukuru community by providing services in the areas of health, education, social economic empowerment, as well as advocacy and networking. Ruben Center was started in the year 1986 by a Mercy sister, and it started off as a school. And then as time went by, there was need to introduce other programs, and that is how the health center came about. Social economic empowerment programs also were incorporated, as well as other projects that are there with an aim of empowering the Mukuru community. We have a community radio, we have maternity unit, we have a children with special needs unit, we also have an urban farm, which again is there to empower the community on urban farming. Since the onset of COVID-19, cases of teenage pregnancy have been on the rise, and the contributing factors are very many. Here at Ruben Center, we have a maternity, and in our maternity alone, 12% of the mothers that have delivered with us are teenage mothers. This is a very worrying trend, and as Ruben Center, we decided to start an initiative, number one, to prevent cases of teenage pregnancy, but by ensuring that we offer comprehensive sexuality education to these adolescents. Number two, we brought in some of the young mothers, and we thought it is good to support them. Number one, to access counseling, because most of these mothers are traumatized. They are children with children, and therefore, at the end of the day, they do not have anyone to run to and no one to talk to. So we offer psychosocial support. Another important aspect of our program is encouraging these young mothers to go back to school and access, finish and complete their education. Because most of them, when they get pregnant, they opt to drop out of school because of the fear of the shame, and then also because of the stigma that is associated with teenage pregnancy. One epic thing about working with Ruben Center is that the empowerment work is usually visible, and then also the diversity of the programs. Personally, I am a former student of Ruben Primary School, which is within the Ruben Center, and I went to school and I'm back to give back to the community and work with Ruben Center. So if you ask if our work of empowering the Mukuru community is successful, I keep saying I am a testimony, because I have been empowered, I have been given education, and that is one of the best things that I can say